Looking to boost your car's sound system without breaking the bank? The Pyle Pro 8-inch mid-bass speaker delivers a powerful 360-watt peak output and 180 watts RMS, letting you crank your favorite tracks loud and clear. It's designed to add depth and punch to your music, making every drive more enjoyable. What sets this speaker apart is its wide frequency response, ranging from 200 Hz to 5 kHz. This range fills in the mid-range frequencies often missing in many car audio setups, providing a full, rich stereo experience. Whether you're upgrading your current system or replacing worn-out drivers, this speaker completes the sound spectrum effortlessly. The Pyle Pro features a 1.5-inch high-temperature Kapton voice coil, engineered to handle heat and reduce distortion. With an 8-ohm impedance and 94 dB sensitivity, it compensates for the thin wiring common in many vehicles, delivering crisp, clear sound without the muddiness you might expect from standard mid-bass speakers. Its 8-inch paper cone is coated for durability and optimized to fit most car stereo systems. This makes it a straightforward replacement for old or damaged mid-range drivers, or an excellent choice for building a new speaker cabinet. The paper cone's natural sound reproduction ensures your music stays authentic and vibrant. Under the hood, a hefty 35-ounce magnet structure provides a solid foundation for the speaker's performance. This heavy-duty design not only supports powerful sound output but also makes installation simple with a 3.03-inch mounting depth that fits most vehicle setups without hassle. Customers across the United States rave about how these speakers breathe new life into their sound systems. Many replaced old, worn mid-range drivers with Pyle Pro speakers and noticed an immediate improvement, clearer lows, tighter mids, and an overall fresher sound that feels brand new. If you're serious about upgrading your car's audio, the Pyle Pro 8-inch mid-bass speaker offers a reliable, high-quality solution that balances power, clarity, and ease of installation. It's worth a look if you want to enhance your driving soundtrack without complicated setups or expensive gear. Ready to experience richer, more dynamic sound on the road? Try the Pyle Pro mid-bass speaker when you're ready to upgrade. It's a smart choice for anyone who values strong performance and clear audio in their vehicle's sound system.